Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you 3 brand new releases. Once Upon a Time, the complete first season, 16 Candles, and The Dictator. So let's start with The Dictator. Comes with a very glossy and colorful slipcover. Just the words banned, unrated, and Dictator, of course, are embossed. Back cover, exactly the same. Now let me show you the artwork on the discs. So here's the ultraviolet digital copy, and here we have 2 discs. One is the blue disc, obviously it's the Blu-ray, has the theatrical and also the extended version, as well as special features. And the gray disc is the DVD, and just so you know, it is an eco-friendly case. For audio, it comes with English DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, as well as French, Spanish and Portuguese from Brazil, Dolby Digital 5.1. For subtitles we have English, French, Spanish and Portuguese. Okay, the next one is 16 Candles, a really nice movie from the 80s, directed by John Hughes. Very fancy. 100 years of Universal. Here's the back cover. Back cover is different. Now let me show you the artwork on the discs. And here we have 2 discs. They're both clear. The one with the blue color in the bottom is the Blu-ray, and the other one in pink is the DVD. The DVD is region 1, but the Blu-ray is region 3. Let me see here. It is, yeah, indeed. It is an eco-friendly case. And comes with a flyer for E.T. and Jaws. Here's how to get your digital copy. And talking about the theme park. 100 years of movie making. For audio we have English as DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, French and Spanish DTS 2.0. For subtitles we have English, French and Spanish. And the last one is Once Upon a Time, the complete first season. A fantastic new show on ABC. It's exactly the same thing, except it has a lenticular. Here's the back cover, and it says right there, region 3, ABC. Now let me show you the artwork on the discs. It is a thicker case, but it is not the ones from UK. And here we have 5 discs. So disc 1, disc 2, 3, 4 and 5. For audio it comes with English DTS HD Master Audio 5.1 and Dolby Digital 2.0. But we have lots of subtitles. English, Spanish, Portuguese from Brazil, French, just to name a few. It has Once Upon a Time, Missing, Revenge, The River and Castle. This TV show has 22 episodes split in 5 discs, and the last disc also has the bonus features. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.